Welcome back to Bible Quick Bites, growing closer to God 2 minutes at a time. Therefore, submit to God, resist the devil, and he will flee from you. James 4:7. Sometimes we are prone to attribute more power to the devil than he actually has. He is not omniscient, omnipotent, or omnipresent. Only God possesses these attributes. The devil is not the opposite of God. He is only a fallen angel, Lucifer, who is powerless to destroy a believer who will submit to God. Thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, and God knows that you know someone who needs this today, so share it with them. See you in the next video.